Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Love What You Do stamp set. Surprise, surprise. I really love this stamp set. And I'm also going to feature some of the products that are out of the embellishment kit. This is the first day that you could register for the class that I have created with Sarah Fleming from the United States. And the one thing that we actually don't include in the class is the embellishment kit. So if you would like to create a card such as this, you'll have to get the embellishment kit. So what I've done here, I have a piece of Whisper White. I have inked up with my Fresh Fig ink and I've stamped off. So this is my second generation stamping. And then I have some Memento Tuxedo Black ink that I'm inking up the sentiment, and I'm going to stamp right over top of that watercolor sploosh. Love that watercolor sploosh. I dig it. It's my thing. Okay, so I have a card base here that is top folding, and you can see that I have the top of the card at the top left corner, and now I'm putting the bottom of the card at the bottom left corner. I hope that makes sense. So I'm trying to make two triangles, but you can't have them equal. They have to be opposite. And if you want the paper pattern to be the same like I do, I had to cut two pieces of cardstock. So those were just 4 1/4 by 5 1/4 by 4, and it will fit right over top of your triangles. But if you want the same color or the same paper showing, then you would have to cut 2 of those. Just because the angles are all wrong. So this is me putting the card together. I have adhered the 2 card pieces together, and now you can kind of see why it's a crazy fold card. It looks like that. It's really simple though, once you got it. So like I said, if you didn't mind that the 2 papers were going to be different, you could just use one paper. A lot of the time Stampin' Up! Has coordinating papers, so this side would be perfect, and then you just flip it over and make the other side. But I wanted these 2 pieces of paper to have the exact same look to them. You'll figure it out if you actually make this card. You'd be like, oh, that's why. Because the triangles don't fit correctly, folks. Anyway, this is some of that rich raspberry velour velvet ribbon. That's it. And I cut about 12 inches. And then I have a 3/4 of an inch band here. The only thing that I think I would do differently on this card is I would try to hide the seam a little bit better. So you need a little bit bigger than 11 and a half. So I had to adhere 2 pieces together, but then one of my edges, like one of the seams was showing on the front, and that bothered me, but not too much. Anyway, so I have put tear tape on the back of my velvet ribbon, and now I'm just going to, it's like a sticker now, and I'll put it around that belly band. The belly band really helps to keep that card closed. Isn't that cool? So adhering it down, I just have a little bit of waste. I'll snip it off. And then here's where that embellishment from the embellishment kit comes from. It's a little rosette. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.